Hello, Mike. How's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this video, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you, or I should say Millsite. We've contacted your company and they agreed. They gave us green light. So thank you. In this video, I'll show you what you have going behind the scenes of your website and pretty much how you can bring in more clients all on your own, or I should say more traffic onto your website. I'll compare what you have going behind the scenes of your website to your competitors. You'll have a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of you or your company. In this video, I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more traffic. The 3 categories are content, backlinks, and citations. And by the way, Mike, the reason we've contacted your customer was due to, or we noticed that there is a high search volume for the services that you offer. In this case, landscaping. Looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. It's a simple website. I see you have a lot of services here. All the links seems to be working just fine. Notice this is not clickable. Here, the phone number. There's no email option here to click to contact your company, but overall it's a good website. It's a fair website. You have great photos, of course, a good layout, good website, and unfortunately not enough content. Typically you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's nowhere around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, Mike, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. What I mean by keywords are words or phrases that end user or searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 2,000 words, bump up to 2,500. You get the idea. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Believe it or not, Google spiders actually crawl onto your website and sniff out all that HTML code paragraphs through your website. Now, for backlinks and citations, for this, let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool. If you don't mind paying for it, of course, this is a great tool to have to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. So this is your website. Boom. You currently have 53 keywords running for you inside your website. In a monthly basis, you're getting 11 people jumping onto your website organically. Referring domains 39, backlinks 82, the DR 1.7 and the UR 4.2. The UR and the DR rating here is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings is through backlinks and citations. So pretty much a backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website, and that could be as simple as a hyperlink or a URL inside the text. You know, when you, let's say I'm in a different website and there's some content there and you're able to click that, I don't know, sentence or even a word. After I click, it'll send me to your website. So that's pretty much what a backlink is. Just be careful. Get those good backlinks with high power and relevant to the industry, to your industry of the services that you offer. Okay. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. Google will give you a extra boost when comparing to other websites. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, you currently have 82 backlinks here. I'm sorry, 39 referring domains here. So pretty much these are unique domains of the backlinks. So this is what you have, 39, but with the 39, you're kind of connected with giving you an 82 overall. All right, so this is very important keywords, but let's jump over to one of your competitors. Just wanted to double check this. Yeah, so it looks like at one point you were around 20. That's being one of your highest margins. Okay, not bad, but you could do way better. Let's go to one of your competitors here. Looks like this is your competitor, Landscape. They are getting more traffic. They are on top of the list. As you can see, they do have more content here, way more content when comparing to one of your competitors. I'm sorry, when comparing it to your website here. Going back to your home page, really all I see is this paragraph here. So again, they're getting all the attention. I do see the services is only 2 categories here, but you have quite a few. So you can take advantage, of course. That means you get to add more content on each page, adding those good relevant keywords, buyer intent keywords. And what they have going behind the scenes of your competitor's website, 30 keywords in a monthly basis, 142 people are jumping onto the website organically. Referring domain 68, again, unique backlink 68, and overall 196. The DR meter 3 and the UR meter 8. They're not at a 1:1 ratio, but they are moving up in the rankings. At this point, I want to say that they've reached out to or started working with the SEO agency and getting, referring domains, backlink, maybe citations, but they are increasing in the ranks. So at one point they were 142, that's the highest. Actually, they are currently at the highest 142 in a monthly basis. So this is where you want to be at. Of course, it could do better, and I'll show you in just a second. But no, annotate that this is very important: the keywords, the backlinks, and citations to give you a boot, to give your website, power. Let's look at the list of keywords here. This is what they currently have going. As far as keywords inside their website. For this keyword alone, landscaping Bend, Oregon, in a monthly basis, you're looking at 300 search volumes from random people looking for the services that you offer. For this keyword here, Bend Landscaping, 150 a month. For the same keyword or service that you offer. So 450 overall. Just imagine those 450 are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO. And that's a good way to bring in traffic onto your website. And you could do this alone if you have the time and just remember to follow protocols. You should be just fine. You want to get those good quality keywords, landscaping, supply, Bend, Oregon. So if you offer supplies and you ship supplies, this is a good keyword to have. You get the idea. Bend custom decks. Not sure if you do that. Oregon landscaping board, irrigation Bend, Oregon, 50 a month. So you get the idea. This is a great way to add, or good keywords to submit onto your website. And well, Mike, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. If you're not interested, please let me know so I won't be sending you these annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions if you have. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thanks for your time, Mike. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.